Okay, so welcome back to another interesting episode. So we've seen how to insert picture. Now the next thing that we want to do, let's go back to our insert tab again. Let's look at how to insert shapes, right? How to insert shapes. So you could see still after clicking on the insert tab, we have the shapes here. So if you click on the drop down, these are all shapes available, right? These are all shapes available here. So depending on the one that you wish to apply or add up, I'll just click. So I've chosen something like rectangle. So I'll just drag to draw. See something like this, and then I have my shape inserted here. So if I want to resize it, then I need to use the edges just like the picture. If I want to rotate it, then I need to use uh, the uh, the indication here to rotate it. And then if you look at this, after inserting the shape, it has given me another new tab, which is the drawing tools tab. So over here, this is where we change the colors, we change the styles. So under the shape styles, if I should click on the drop down and then I choose any color that I want here, this is a predefined style. You see it will change the appearance of my shape that I have here, right? Or if I want to change the color or shade it differently, then I need to click on the shape fill. So under the shape fill, you see some colors over here, then it will change. Then we have the shape outline. If I click on a drop down to, that's the outline, the borders of it. Let me choose red, then the borders will change. Then we have the shape effect just like that of the picture, right? So let me click outside and then you could see what I've done here. Right, let's go back to the insert tab again. Let's look at what you call the smart art. Right, let's scroll down a little. So let's look at the smart art. So let me click somewhere here so that we'll be able to insert the smart art here. So smart art, if I should click on it, now sometimes some of our books are textbooks, let's say data processing cycle in computing, they insert a chart indicating how the process works. So how it starts from input, how it moves to storage, how it moves to processing, output, and everything. We use the smart arts. So these are all the examples for the smart arts. So let me use the cycle. So if I click on the cycle category, these are all cycles indicated here. So I want to use the basic cycle. So I'll click on it. Then I'll click on OK like this. So once I click on the OK, I have my smart art inserted here. Then you could see a pane will be indicated here, indicating what I want to enter there. So let's say I want to use the days in the week. So the first thing that I want to type, the first day in the week is Sunday, right? Then the next one, Monday. Then the next one, Tuesday. And on Wednesday, Thursday. Then you could see from here that we are limited, right? Because of the number of shapes that we have available here. But what if you want to add up more? Then you need to move your cursor. So you could see it has inserted a new chart, which is smart art. We have the design, then we have the format. So under the design, you could see we have add shape, add bullet, and then the text pane. So here, which is the add shape, I'll just click on the add shape, and then another one will be added like this. So I'll click on the add shape again, and then another one is added, right? So from the Thursday, let me click on the shape for the Thursday. Then here I'll come back to my pane here. Then the next I'll type Friday. Then the next one I'll type Saturday like this, right? So this is how we apply the smart art. Let me uh, Let me move it down. So if you want to move it down, then you need to move the entire thing. If it's not moving, then you need to wrap it again. Just like how we wrap the picture. So you drag it a little down so it will move good. Now, so let's go back to the design under the smart art. So under the smart art, just like I said, we have the layout, then we have the smart art styles here. So we have change colors. So the colors here, if I want to change the colors, if I click on the drop down, these are predefined colors. I can choose any of the colors available here, right? And then it will change it. Then I can also change the style, that's the appearance of it. So if I click on the drop down, there are more options depending on how I want it to look, whether it's 3D or any way that I want my art to look like. So if I want to look, let's say the last 3D, I'll just click on it and then it will have the same appearance, right? Then the format tab under the smart art tools. This is just like the shape that we inserted. If you just want to insert your own shape fill, you can come here, click on the drop down, and then choose your own shape fill for the background. You can choose your own outline, your own shape, your own word art. That is the word art here means where you have the text fill and then the text outline, meaning that these colors, if you should change it, it will affect the font or the characters in there, right? Or the characters. So if you don't want to change it, then you can leave it that way. So you can see that when I chose blue, it has also changed to blue. And then the text outline, after choosing, you could see I chose red, and then you see they are all appearing in red, right? So this is how to go about um, smart arts. Okay.